pancakes.
Ew, Mimi's for breakfast. This looks good, but then I'm like, what the heck? Why are they trying to serve tacos?
Where are we walking towards?
Down that way, then we're gonna turn.
So it is Corgi Day here at the dog park, so we drove down here. This is in Long Beach. So we are at this Corgi dog festival at the dog park here in Long Beach, and there's food trucks, and we're walking around and just checking.
There they go.
Yeah, he's out there going to get that floaty thing. He's having the time of his life. Are you hungry, Matthew?
Yes.
It does. Why? What do you want to eat? Well, I thought you wanted the salad, Matthew. You don't want a salad?
No, they don't have salad.
So this place we're at is called the Rockefeller. We gave up on going to Venice. We went here instead. Daiso, Japan. They have a brand new store at Ontario Mills Mall in Ontario.